Writing. Packing list. Traveling is a hobby to most of us. But one thing we do not like to do is writing a packing list. And no matter how much we try to pack, something always gets forgotten. So, what is a packing list? And why do we need it? A packing list is a list of items you pack when going for a trip or even a holiday. It is written to avoid leaving behind essential items, thus making your trip enjoyable. Let us look at the factors you need to consider when writing a packing list. Firstly, is the purpose of the trip. Secondly, the length of stay. Thirdly, the weather conditions of your destination. And lastly, the means of transport. When traveling to a cold place, you need warm clothes. Also, with a personal car you have the luxury of space. But for public transport, you need a manageable load. This is a format of a packing list. We have the number of item type, quantity, and description as illustrated. On the table we have items like clothes, shoes, cosmetics, and books with the type, quantity and description. We also have other categories like medication, entertainment, miscellaneous, and snacks in their quantities and description as illustrated. Let's now have a look at the visual illustrations of the categories. Books and travel documents. These include items like passport, identification card, a map, and a storybook if you will need one. Shoes. These include all footwear that you will need for the journey. They include slippers, sneakers, stiletto heels, boots, and dolly shoes. Entertainment. These are all the electronics you will need, like the cell phone, camera, tripod stand, laptop, phone charger, flash disk, photo stick, and even earphone. Toiletries. These are substances that we need for grooming and general care of our body. They include toothpaste, toothbrush, soap, body cream, and body lotion. Clothes. These are the fabric that one will use. They include dresses, trousers, shirts, scarf, and a sweater if moving to a cold place. It is also wise to pack a sewing thread and a button, in case. Cosmetics. These are for makeup. They include lipstick, foundation, hair oil, eyeliner, roll-on, eye pencil, and a comb. Miscellaneous. These are selected items like an umbrella, hat, sunglasses, and a sleeping bag where necessary. Snacks. Do not forget to pack a few snacks to re-energize and refresh, like biscuits, a piece of cake, popcorn, chocolate, and some refreshments. Medication. These are medicines one may need during the journey. They include capsules, ointment, pain relievers, and anti-malaria drugs, and inhaler where necessary. With your bags packed, you can enjoy your journey ahead. We have learned how to write a packing list. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in another lesson.